In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method in Hostinger. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look around so you can easily find the settings you need. If this is your first time using the platform, don't worry, the process is very straightforward and only takes a minute. Next, click on your profile. This is usually where your personal account settings and account-related options are stored. Opening the profile section is the first step toward accessing your billing information, which is where payment methods are managed. After that, click on Billing. In this section, you'll find the financial side of your account, including invoices, subscriptions, and your saved payment options. This is the area you'll use anytime you need to update how you pay for hosting services, domains, or any other products connected to your account. Once you're in Billing, click on Payment Methods. This will take you to the page where your current payment methods are listed, if you already have any saved. If not, this is where you can add your first one. On this page, simply click Add Payment Method to begin. You'll then be asked to select the payment method you prefer. Choose the option that works best for you. Depending on what Hostinger supports in your region, you may see different choices available. After selecting your preferred method, enter your payment details carefully and make sure everything is accurate before saving. This is important because even a small mistake, like an incorrect card number or billing detail, could cause payment issues later. As you enter the information, it's always a good idea to double-check each field before confirming. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid failed transactions or delays when renewing your services. Also, make sure you're entering the details only on the official Hostinger billing page for security and accuracy. Once your information is submitted, your new payment method should be added to your account and ready to use for future purchases or renewals. And that's it. That's how to add a new payment method in Hostinger quickly and easily.